Completed, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Pattern program completed, Nana? Ma. Pattern programs.
No, sir.
No.
Pattern program not completed. So write down, please. Can I erase this one? Ma, can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Print a number. Print a number using for loop and the range function. Range function. See now, I can show you. So for example, 10 is the total number of number to print. See, for some number is equals to number in range of 10 colon, again for I in range of num colon, print number comma end is equals to some space, means print number. Say print back last print, print some backslash n. See now, see amma 10 and 5 పెట్టండి. I want to print some, see like 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4. So if you want like this kind of a pattern, see this like this kind of a pattern. So how can you do the program? For the given num in range of 5, range will give you The n minus 1 amma. Please kindly cooperate, kindly understand the point. So the given range 5 means up to 4 only we can taking consideration. For I in range of the given number, how many times we require that wants to display? First one is one time only. Second time two times only. Third time 3 times only. Four times only. So each and every moment print backslash in the sense next line. Once the loop is completed, first iteration is completed, next second iteration is completed, next third iteration, fourth iteration, up to n minus 1th iteration. Then you want to display. This is the program. So if you write in a C program, so how many lines to be required? So here in a Python program, how many lines to be required? Please note down. Print a number using for loop and range function. Right, Amma? Ma, if you completed,
Yes, sir.
so
Completed, sir.
my concept is understood or not?
Understand,
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amma. Now another program. Triangular half pyramid, Amma. Print in triangular half pyramid using for loop. Half pyramid using for loop. See now. So if you take, so the value you can take from the keyboard, some you can say like n is equals to int of input of enter a number, enter a last number, you can mean range, enter a range of an, see now. So for example, if num in range from 1 comma n, so n means the given number. If you take from the input n comma n, for example, this is row wise, column wise. If I for I column column in range, the given range in 1 comma some row plus 1, because row plus 1 why? So row is only the given range. Extra one we can add, that is called row plus 1. Row plus 1, print column comma and same previous one, but half pyramid only will come. That's it. Program completed. Enter you get given the range 5. See now, 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Previous 1 2 2 3 3 3